Are you ready to ensure your drone flights are safe and compliant? This guide outlines a comprehensive risk assessment process using eAuditor. Discover how to identify risks and apply controls for every flight. Every drone flight starts with capturing essential operational information. This establishes accountability and context for the risk assessment. Key details include mission info, project name, and purpose of flight. Also, include date, time, and location. Ensure all permits and personnel are documented. A thorough pre-flight check is crucial for safety. Operators must verify all critical systems before takeoff. Check wind speed, rain, and visibility. Inspect the drone for damage and confirm battery levels. Ensure all local airspace restrictions and permits are in place. Identifying potential hazards is key to preventing accidents. Assess risks like collision with objects or other aircraft. Consider injury risks to people from drone malfunctions. Be aware of signal loss and battery failure. Environmental hazards like weather changes must also be considered. Once hazards are identified, apply controls to mitigate risks. Set safe flight boundaries and maintain visual line of sight. Use a trained observer to assist. Follow aviation rules and avoid poor weather conditions. Always perform a full pre-flight checklist. Preparedness for emergencies is crucial. Define landing plans and actions for signal loss. Address malfunctions immediately and report incidents. Secure the scene and preserve evidence. Conduct a post-flight review and recommend improvements for future operations. Conclusion of the video. Through detailed risk assessments, you can ensure safe drone operations. By identifying hazards and applying controls, accidents can be minimized. Remember, every flight must be authorized with a formal approval process.